Welcome to Tiddle Tunes. Ready? Mix the colors and say their names with me. Rub, mix, say it.
Rub your hands, mix the colors, see them blend. Red and yellow make orange bright, blue and yellow make green delight. Dance around, jump up high, freeze, what color do you see?
Green and orange.
Call it out, shout hooray!
Hooray!
Orange and green are here to play. Rub your hands, mix the colors, see them blend. Red and blue make purple fun, yellow and red make orange run. Spin around, wiggle your toes, freeze, what color do you see?
Purple and orange.
Call it out, loud and clear. Purple and orange up here. Rub your hands, mix the colors, see them blend. Blue and red make purple glow, blue and yellow make green grow. Hop, skip, jump and shake, freeze, what color do you see?
Green and purple.
Green and purple, wow, look here. Learning colors is so dear. Rub your hands, mix the colors, see them blend. Red and white make pink so sweet, soft and gentle, oh what a treat. Twirl around, stomp your feet, freeze, what color do you see?
Pink.
Call it out, loud and bright. Pink appears, oh what a sight. Rub your hands, mix and match across the lands. Red and orange, reddish glow, blue, green, turquoise show. Wave your arms like a rainbow, spin and twirl, stomp your feet. Freeze, what color do you see? Red, yellow, blue combined. Orange, green, purple shine. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Pink and rainbow colors for me and you.
Rub, mix, say it. Let's do it one more time.